Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of the President, leaders and leaders of the states, all protocols observed. Your Excellency, with your permission, I hereby call the Governor President to take his oath of office. Thank you.
I will be faithful and fair to the federal government of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the constitution of the federal government of Nigeria, so help me God. Ability, faithfully and in accordance with the constitution of the federal government of Nigeria and the law, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the federal government of Nigeria, that I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives and directive principles of state policy, that I will not allow my personal interests to influence my official conduct or my official decisions, that I will do the best of my ability to all manner of people according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as Honorable Commissioner River State, as may be required for the due of God.
I feel very happy that this is happening today to mark the beginning of a new era. When I said that I had a reason for being patient, it was because I know that we are all from one family. And if we have a disagreement, no matter how bad it is, it should be resolved. But it has become very clear that this disagreement, there is no headway to it. And for a lot of reasons, there are very, very visible evidence that there is sabotage, deliberate attempt to sabotage this administration. For that reason, we have to move forward. Maybe where they are telling them nothing will happen, nothing will happen. It's happening here live. We have our own legislatures that are performing their duty according to the Constitution. So that record is threatened. There is no two ways about it. Coming to our brand new commissioner, you have already been sworn in, so can't call it designate again. Everybody knows your area of specialization. I'm happy that you're already a son before coming in. It means that you must have been a thorough man. It's not the one that while you're here, they now pay money to give you son. When you become the son, the only thing you do is to sabotage government. Instead of you to close your mouth, you go publicly to claim that you're a learned person. To go publicly to tell people that you're the chief law officer. Chief law officer, you were here, you went to stand before a magistrate court. At that time, you didn't remember that you were a chief law officer, going against the ethics of your job. You will get your reward, not in next world, this world. Dagogo Iboroma, you are going to be the brand new Attorney General of our dear state. Why are we bringing you at this very critical time? We have a lot of issues around us. We believe that you're not going to be the one that when they send service to you, you go and file nolly. Please defend us. We know that you're going to defend us because your record is clean. You're a gentleman, peaceful. You're not a noisemaker. People like that are endowed, and they have a fear of God. Say this, you have a big tax. As it is today, in the local palace, they said the jungle has matured. We will be setting a panel of inquiry to investigate the affair of governance. For you to be honorable, there are a lot of qualities that people will see. Being honorable is not lying. Being honorable is not, as a matter of fact, for one to be called honorable, you need to live a honorable life. But I wish them well. I wish them well because even if it's a mistake, by the special grace of God, I'm here today.
Yes. Not a mistake.
God doesn't make mistakes.
At all. Not a mistake.
And let me also appeal to them. Let them continue to make mistakes. So that I'll continue to be where I am.
Yes.
Finish what I want to do for you people.
Yes.
Live with a good name.
Yes, sir.
And my children and my great-grandchildren will be proud of me. Let me on this note thank every one of you, but especially our new Attorney General. Please take full charge of that office. We have a lot of litigations there, both political and also economical. Economical because we have a lot of court cases on oil well and all those things. And there is one major issue we're having there. Since I came in, the number of garnishes, I feel is a deliberate thing. Please, see what you can do to help us in this particular area. Thank you, and may God bless every one of you.
I will void.